Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have learned about the basic functions in Power BI, which we have a similar functionality in Microsoft Excel as well. Now we are going to learn about the split and the extraction of data. These two are very widely used data to clean, to organize your data so that you can able to visualize in Power BI. So let's jump to the Power BI. So I have this kind of a data where you can see the shipping address, and shipping address contains the basic address details. For example, if I'll read point number one, that is the Colaba Causeway and Fashion Street, which is located in Mumbai city and Maharashtra. So if someone tells you that I need only state and state name and city name, like in point number two, you can see the city is Jaipur and Rajasthan. Point number three, you can see Pune, Maharashtra. Then in point number four, you can see Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So there are some states and some city names, famous city names are given in this table. So how you can do that? How one can fetch the details using the split form or split function. So you can see this is the home page in Power Query Editor. I'll go to Transform tab. I'll click on the Transform tab, and you can see there is a split column name. Split column is a function. I'll again click on this, and it has number of options that in what way you want to split or you want to extract the data by delimiter, by number of characters, by position, by way of lower to uppercase or upper to lowercase, digit to non-digit or non-digit to digit. So if you can see by delimiter, split the values, it has shown the some basic definition, split the value in the selected column based on the specified delimiter. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So once I'll click on the delimiter, and you can see a new window is pop out where you can see split column by delimiter. Specify the delimiter used to split the text column, and it has already taken a delimiter as comma. You can see comma is one of the delimiter. There are basic delimiters, I can say, like delimiter. I can write it as at the rate, comma. Even a space is a delimiter. You can use hash key. There are some examples of these are some examples of delimiter. Space is also considered as a delimiter. So comma is one of the delimiter, and it is asking the second point, at which location or at which point you want the information, that split at the leftmost delimiter, split at the rightmost delimiter, or each occurrence of the delimiter. So quickly we can see one by one how like what results it is going to give us. So I will select first one, split at leftmost delimiter. Leftmost delimiter is, this is the leftmost delimiter, if you can see, and I just need to click OK. Let's see, leftmost delimiter is one like in the previously you have seen this Colaba Causeway and Fashion Street, comma. Then after that there is a space. Then Mumbai, comma. Then after that there is a space. Then Maharashtra. And after choosing or selecting that particular option, it is showing us there is some space, you can see. Then Mumbai, then comma, then Maharashtra. And then likewise for the second point, for the third point, fourth point, fifth point, it is showing in this way. So in this way, we can extract the details of city or a state. For example, I'll again use split column by delimiter. Now I will use the rightmost delimiter. Okay. First of all, I'll go here. Then I'll apply the basic function here. Yes, insert step. Okay, so I'll use rightmost delimiter. So see, rightmost delimiter is this one. So what was the previous data? It looks like Kolaba Causeway and Fashion Street. There is comma, then space Mumbai. There is comma, then Maharashtra. So the data is reading in the way of right to left. If you can check in this way, it is showing as right to left. So rightmost, we have selected the rightmost delimiter. Similarly, if I'll choose by delimiter as, again I'll need to enter this step, each occurrence of the delimiter. So since there are two commas, so they have a each occurrence, like on at every commas or at every delimiter, I need to split the data and it should be shown as into two different columns. Let's check this out. See, so again you can see the Mumbai and the Maharashtra. So if I need to edit this column, I just need to double click on it. I can write it as city name. Then in column 3, I can write it as state name. And again, what I can do, if I can select these two, what we have learned previously, that what I need to do, I need to make it a proper way, then clean, then trim. So I can see it is in the same proper format, like capitalize each word. But I can see there are some extra white spaces. I need to remove those. So I can do this as well. I can use it trim, then I can use clean function. See, so in this way, I have extracted the data using this split function, and with that I can able to take out the city name and state name. So this is one of the way to extract the information from a particular data. Next we will learn uh, how we can able to extract the data with the help of delimiters and other techniques. So for example, if I'll go to the second sheet, so there are some famous names and it is all in text. So text with delimiters. Okay. So there are basic informations given. Mr. hyphen Tony at the rate stock. Again, hyphen and at the rate. These are two types of delimiters. Okay. Hyphen is also a type of delimiter. So in in this sheet, we are going to learn that how we can extract the name. Like you can see that Tony is the first name, Stark is the last name. How we can extract these two details using the split column. Okay, so I need to click on the split column, and then again I need to select by delimiter. So now it is asking custom. Okay, I can also custom, or it has given more options like colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab, at the and custom. So for example, if I'll use hyphen, okay, leftmost, okay, leftmost delimiter. Let's see. So leftmost is the hyphen. So whatever be the data after hyphen, it is given in this way. It has given in this way. like Tony at the rate Stark, then Johnny at the rate Depp, Leonardo at the rate DiCaprio, like this way. Again, if I need to split the data using delimiters, what I can do, okay, again it is showing as at the rate, okay, and if I'll use at not at each occurrence, I need to use rightmost, or I can say leftmost. Let's see. So see, what was the previous data? It is showing as this Tony at the rate Stark. I use split column technique, then it is shown as Tony and Stark. So that delimiter has been removed and we can able to see that the first name and the last name. And also if you can see this column, like the first column, it is the prefix what we have learned in the previous video. So in this way we can split the data and we can extract the particular data. There are other ways to do. I hope you can understand, and we can rename this column. I can provide prefix, then again this is the first name, then this is last name. Okay, I have renamed columns and I can use basic cleaning, like basic functions, cleaning and then trimming. So in this way I have cleaned the data. I have uh, the data was given in this way. Now it is showing in this way. So using the basic functions you can able to split the data whatever type of data you are using, but it is right now applicable on text format. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching the video.